Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of Karnataka style kashi halwa. For that we will need a healthy and a very large ash cart. I haven't met any person who doesn't like kashi halwa. Like literally who doesn't like kashi halwa? Kashi halwa is like a main hero of every Karnataka weddings and events. So let's see how to make it. It takes time in the preparation and making, but worth spending every minute. First, you have to cut the ash cart into pieces and then remove the seeds and thinly slice it, and then you have to grate it. Now, the grating requires a lot of effort. At this point, you can invite all your family members and take help from them in grating. Once you are done with grating, then half of your work is done here. After grating, you will see there is a lot of excess water in the ash cart. You have to squeeze all the water out and then place it in a cooking pot. Do this to all the grated ash cart. Don't throw the leftover water. The leftover water you can use it in a smoothie or you can drink as it is. It is extremely healthy. This is how it looks after separating the excess water. Just give it a good mix and then we will start the cooking process. Now you have to turn on the flame and then place the cooking pot. You have to cook it in a very low flame. At this point, you don't need to add anything, just give it a good mix until the raw smell of the ash cart goes away. After few minutes, you will see little bit of a water coming out from the ash cart. You have to keep on stirring until the water completely dries out and then add 1 cup of sugar. Add more or less according to the sweetness you prefer. Now at this stage, you have to keep on stirring till the sugar melts completely at a high flame. After few minutes, the sugar will melt completely and you will see a thicker consistency. And then you have to lower the flame and then cover it with a lid and let it cook for few minutes. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to cook completely. After this, the ash cart will turn completely soft. At this point, you have to add crushed cardamom and saffron infused water. You have to add saffron at the end. Do not add at the beginning. Saffron gives a really good aroma, taste and the color. Just look at the beautiful color saffron has given to the halwa. Keep on stirring for at least 5 minutes. When it gets to a thicker consistency, then you have to add half cup of a ghee. Add half cup of a ghee and then you have to mix really well at least for 5 minutes. Then at the end, we have to top it with dry fruits of your own choice. Make this at home, then you are never going to buy from the bakeries. At the end, we have to top it up with the dry fruits of our own. I have added peeled and sliced almonds, roasted cashews and dry grapes. And that's it guys, your kashi halwa is ready to be served. Let me know in the comment section if you liked the recipe or not. And like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch it. Stay tuned for more recipes and food related videos.